Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? It's been a long while. Don't be angry with me guys. So today I want to make this periwinkle soup. I already have a video where I did a thorough wash of periwinkles. So please, whenever I want to use these periwinkles, make sure you wash them very thoroughly. Emphasis on thorough washing. So when you are done washing, you now put it in a clean water. See how clean this water is? That is how your own water should be, or even cleaner. Then add salt in it so that all the periwinkles will be submerged inside water and the salt. Leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. So that the salt will penetrate inside the periwinkles and kill any microorganisms inside. You understand? So I'm making this soup with this parboiled meat. I actually wanted to cook this soup yesterday when I came back from work, but I was already tired. So I just, parboiled the periwinkles. I already boiled the meat, but decided to leave it for the next day. So I kind of pre-cooked not the periwinkles, the water leaf I'll be using. I'll show you. Now, when your protein you're using is already cooking, you come back to the periwinkles. You see how I'm washing it back? Although this is not how it's washed the first time, but this time that you have soaked it in salt, you kind of need to give it another thorough rinse. You can rinse it like this up to 2 to 3 times. So after rinsing it, you can now add it to your already cooked proteins that you are using. Okay. So after adding it, what I noticed that when you add your periwinkles and you kind of stir, when it's time to suck it out, it kind of gets stuck. So I kind of experimented. Whenever I add it, I'll just kind of use spoons, push it down and let it cook. When it's kind of boiling, yes, as you see, it's already boiling. When it's boiling, you can now stir it. And when it's time to eat it, it will come out. So at this time, I'm adding this bonga fish. It's already deboned. Yeah, so I'm adding it and let it cook a little while. This time around, you see the oil I added. So in this one I'm cooking, I did not add the oil again at the middle of this cooking because the oil here is not that tasting very well. Like the taste is not like homemade oil. Sometimes you kind of accidentally get those oil that, if you understand, that doesn't really taste that wonderful. So I just add everything at this point and let it just cook. Before the food will get ready, the oil taste will just normalize. Okay, so at this time I'm adding the vegetable, the pumpkin leaf, and this is the end of it, the height of it. Whenever you add your pumpkin leaf, stir properly and you are done. The pumpkin leaf doesn't need to cook long. Yes, 60 seconds or less. Once you kind of give it a good stir, make sure you thoroughly wash it. Okay, so if you have watched to this end, please remember to give us a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and I hope to see you again on my next upload. But before then, I say thank you so much for stopping by. Remain love, be happy, don't mind the economic condition of this country this time around. No, we are not whining. We are kind of looking for a better way to better ourselves. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.